What's good? What's happening? What's popping? What's cracking, like, guys? This is your boy Roberto over here shooting another video. Actually, you know what? I think I'm gonna start it over. What's up, you guys? My name is Roberto, and I'm over here shooting a video. Right now, I'm picking up my best friend Miguel. Some Shy Timmy, as you guys know him. We're picking him up. I'm gonna go eat. I don't know exactly what I'm gonna go eat. I'm kind of hungry for like food. Pretty nice.
Wait, you should help us decorate like China, my room. I want something like that. Like, look at this. Make it look hella Chinese. Like.
He's trying to put a thirst trap for he's feeling oriental by the end of the year.
Ooh, look at that light.
So we're at IKEA. Look at the lighting we got in IKEA.
Yo, I look, you wanna like
This is my height.
Really?
This is my height. I can actually
like a forest though.
Like a forest?
Like with fake plants you want it?
Yeah.
I have to do it. Dude, fake plants are the best, bro. It makes you look like you're environmental, but is that big? This is big, guys. We finally found her. We're getting married.
She's been here all along. We're getting married next week.
Small, but I like fun side girls.
I'm just trying to get the. But yeah, we're here at IKEA. Looking for. I'm looking for a table. That's what I'm looking for.
You looking for a table for your room?
Yep, I'm looking for a table.
What you gonna do with that table?
I don't know. I'm just trying to get up and dancing there.
Trying something new?
Trying something new.
Getting a table. Let's try and try something new.
This is like I'm confused. I'm still got a lot of questions.
I'm confused. Put that in my room and shit.
That's nice. Since you said it, Miguel. Since you said you wanted a forest, just put that all over your wall, dude.
It's gonna look like the rhino room if I get
The random room. Check out Instagram. That's pictures. We're all cooking.
about that, dude. I stick to frozen food now. Fuck that.
Yeah, top ramen.
Kidding. Make my own meals. Huh?
Let's see. Whoa! Oh, damn!
Do it again. Woo!
Go.
I need that for my room, yo.
For real.
How much is this? Is this what this is?
$129.
Yo, I'm getting this, bro. Bro,
It's like it's from the future.
be like, you guys want to see something cool?
You guys want to see inside Miguel's head?
Is that out that empty? Fuck you.
This dude. We weren't even saying that. We're gonna spin. Spin.
Oh shoot.
Yes. So welcome guys to another episode. We're over here chilling with our boy Shy Timmy in the house.
It's me. Ooh, that hair is up right now. I need some product.
The hair's so fucked. And then we got Alyssa Miguel
That's Bay.
over here on this side.
That's Bay.
This is Bay.
Tell Bay.
This is Tell
Hey, the chandeliers, they're here.
the chandelier.
Hey.
From the chandelier.
It's kind of
From
good.
the chandelier.
A little bit. Whoa. Is that a rooster?
Is that a wrist?
Is that what?
Is that a rooster? Gallo.
What's up, you guys? Alyssa's over here getting some taro soup.
Yeah. It's like taro and tapioca soup.
Es como arroz con leche. Kind of like it.
Where's my translation?
It was the weekend, Miguel.
I don't want to think about that right now.
That sounds like
I know, right? It sounds like straight up me.
I just want to think about Monday.
Yeah, I've been here actually a lot more than that.
What's up, you guys? We're over here in Chinatown. It has a design. Look at it. Miguel, you need a picture there. Look.
It's like a tiger.
But look in the camera. Like if you take a picture there, it looks kind of dope.
I don't have a kitty. I have a tiger, bitch.
And this is the red little thing here. I like this red thing. It's so nice. It's like super cool. There's the monkey one. It's a monkey one.
Jesus is with us.
Jesus.
Where's the rabbit though?
You mean the rat?
The rabbit.
Oh,
Rat?
the year of the rabbit?
Yeah, I'm the year of the rabbit.
Where's the boar?
You're
I'm the year of the boar. Yeah, 94.
Oh,
Dog.
I'm dog.
Wait, you're 94?
Yeah.
Oh, you are 90. By like a day?
Yeah. Basically.
You're a fake 94, Roberto. How do you feel that your girlfriend was born in the year 2000? You were born 94.
She was,
I was
almost
99.
grabbing on for her life. 99 too.
Yeah.
Les jours, les frères.
Lee Hong Chu,
Probably français?
Bok Hong Chin,
Je m'appelle Miguel.
John Chin, Ding.
So my future kids.
Don't be like.
Don't wear leather jackets, you say?
That's the street.
Hey, have you seen It, the first movie?
No, have you? Wait, the original one or the newer ones?
It's a new one.
No.
I don't watch weird movies.
You don't?
Nope.
Because everybody keeps saying that the second one's kind of good.
That's what I heard too.
And I wanted to see it.
Fan
But-
and Ham.
But it's
Did
like
not enter.
three
Oh my god,
hours,
this is the
dude.
place that this old lady was yelling at me about my dyed hair. I had like pinkish,
What's
purplish
wrong with
hair.
you? Why was she doing that?
She was hating on me. She's like, don't dye your hair. Da, 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 da. I was like, who are you telling me what to do?
It's fitting. It doesn't look biblical.
Oh, really?
Oh, for Coco?
Yeah. It's pretty
You're gonna have to get bleached.
Yeah, and I could buy the sweater too.
Wait up, let me see the face.
See? It's easy. It's easy.
You gonna wear that at Freak Night? You're gonna be hella hot though, aren't you?
Yeah, so.
Your makeup's gonna run.
You make me
That's alright. Look. It's easy.
Oh, pretty easy.
Right?
Yeah.
I want to do it.
Oh my god.
What?
Now I saw the rat. He was running across into the bush.
Oh.
Yep.
Over there.
Big ass rat, huh?
Yeah. Now I know why my mom's so afraid.
Wow, that's.
Yeah.
Yeah, wow, that was a crazy experience. That's very traumatizing, guys. I'm glad we got that on video because we sure want to enjoy that with the viewers. Traumatizing experience. Oh, your mom was goddamn right. Listen.
Jesus. Emphasize on that.
I'm like, whoa. Timmy. It's gonna look back.
Hey. Not so shy no more, huh? Jimmy was in shy. Oh.
The shy at all. He decided to share everything with the world.
I just decided to come out of my shell.
He's
like next year's